Now we are talking about the Voltaic cell. The simple cell, which is also known as Voltaic cell, consists of two electrodes. One of copper, the other one is zinc, dipped in a solution of a dilute sulfuric acid in a glass vessel, which is depicted here. On connecting the two electrodes externally with a piece of wire, the current flows from copper to zinc outside the cell and zinc to copper inside the cell. The copper electrode is the positive pole or copper rod of the cell and the zinc is the negative pole. And the electrolyte is considered as sulfuric acid. This is how the action of the cell is explained. You are able to see the electrodes and the electron movement is happening here. Now we are going to talk about the Voltaic cell. The action of the cell is explained here. You are able to see you got a bridge with the copper sulfate in one area and zinc sulfate. So this is a zinc rod and this one is copper rod. You are able to see positive ions flow from the salt bridge and negative ions flow from the salt bridge. And it's connected here to a wire. And from here you are able to see the electron is moving. So at the zinc rod, the zinc atoms get ionized and pass into solution as zinc++ ions. This leaves the zinc rod with the two electrons more, make it negative. At the same time, two hydrogen atoms are discharged at the copper rod. By these two electrons, this makes the copper rod positive. As long as excess electrons are available on zinc electrodes, this process goes on and a current flow continuously in the external circuit. This simple cell is then seen as a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. That's your Voltaic cell. That's called simple cell. Due to opposite charge on the two plates, a potential difference is set between the copper and zinc, copper being at a very high potential than zinc. The difference in potential between the two electrodes is approx of 1.08 voltage. You are able to see you got a zinc sulfate here and copper sulfate and which got the zinc metal and a copper plate and it's connected externally and there is a porous partition between it.